Hey everyone, I wanted to share with you a feature that you can enable within discussions that will allow you to share your discussions with other teachers on campus or even at other campuses. So that will allow your students to be able to have discussions with more than just the ones that are in their classroom. And so first, let's create a discussion, and then I'll show you how you can do that. So I'm going to go to Add Materials and then Add Discussion. From there, I'm just going to give it a name. I'm going to call this one Practice. There's a lot of different ways that you can use your discussion within Schoology. The little menu up here at the top of the description will allow you to add links to outside resources, but you can also embed video and other images to help prompt the discussion or have them give feedback after they've watched the video. So there's a lot of different ways that you can create discussions. You can also enable grading, and so if you want to give some sort of grade for the discussion using rubrics or some other type of grading that you want to give, you do have the ability to do that. I'm not going to turn that on just yet. You can also just simply create a think, pair, share activity and turn it into a discussion within Schoology, and so that's the example I will be using today. So down here, members can see other responses before participating. I usually want to turn that one on so that you can require the student to post something before they can see others, but that's up to you. If you want them to be able to read what everyone else is posting before they can post, then you can leave that grayed out. You can also lock it so that they're not able to leave any kind of comments, or if you want to have it open for a certain amount of time and then lock it so they can't go back in and add anything, you have that feature here. If you are grading, you can always align and put standards in there. But the new feature I wanted to share with you today was this shared discussion. Now, it's important to know that once you've created a discussion and you go back and try to edit, you won't see this feature anymore. It's only there when you're first creating it. So if I click on that shared discussion, I'm able to password protect it, but then I can share it to any other course where I'm an administrator of. Okay, so I'm just going to pick another course here where I'm an administrator and then share it with that one. Okay, so I'm going to share there. I'm not going to put a password on this one, and then I'm going to click Create. So now I've created my discussion down here at the bottom. Right, here's my discussion. So if I open that, you can see now there is this shared ID number. Okay, and that's going to be important. You might want to copy paste it, especially if you're going to be sharing it with other teachers where they're not like an administrator of one of your courses, right? So they're adding it to their own course. So if I copy and paste that, then I'm able to join this particular discussion from any other course. You still have this option here to share with any of the courses that you're an administrator of. You can see that that one's still check marked. I can probably click that one and unshare it if I wanted to. But this number is what's going to allow others to join it. So I'm going to navigate to another course. So here's another course where I'm an administrator. So if I was another teacher and I wanted to join this same discussion, here's how you would do it. Under Options, well, first I want to sort all of my materials to just discussions. And so I don't know if you've seen this or played around with this, where you can sort everything in this course by the file type or the type of material that it is. So in this case, I want to just do discussions. So I'm going to sort everything to just discussions. Then from the options here, you should now see an option to join a shared discussion. So when I click that, that's where I'm going to put in that shared code that I copied from my other course and then join that discussion. That discussion should show up here as practice, right? And so now it's in this course, and now the students in this course are able to collaborate within that discussion that I created in the other course. So if this was two different teachers, they would be able to share this discussion and have discussions between their students virtually. And you could share it with more than just one teacher. And so you could really create a good discussion with the different students on whatever topic you wanted created. And so that's a cool feature that's in discussions that I wanted to share with you guys so that you can open it up a little bit more and be a little bit more creative with having discussions and getting feedback from students.